How to assemble the bassinet. The bassinet will come with 3 components: your bassinet mattress, and your bassinet apron. Inside your bassinet you will find 3 metal rods. Simply pull the rods out till they lock into place. There are 3 rods, one on the right, one on the left, and one in the middle. Next, get your bassinet lining, find the press stud and connect it inside to the bassinet press stud. Do the same on the other side. Next, get your Velcro and attach it to the Velcro on the top of the bassinet head. Pick up your mattress and slide it in. And then last is your apron. There is a double zipper head. Connect it to one side. Pull your zipper all the way around and then pull the canopy up. How to attach the bassinet. The bassinet will come with a set of adapters. Simply slide the adapters in on both sides. Pick up your bassinet and slide into the adapters. It will click in on both sides. To remove the bassinet, press the grey buttons on both sides. Simply lift up the bassinet when ready. To fold the pram, on the front of the adapters are these 2 black latches. Push down and the pram will fold up. If you have any further questions, please reach out to our local customer care team.